Hello friends, hope all are well and enjoying your time. Though this is quarantine life, we are not very well, but still we should try to keep ourselves stay well, healthy and safe. Because if we try our best, that will be, I think, easy for us for increase our activeness and being well in the home. And today is the 32 days of our lockdown life, and this is the third day of our Ramadan. And overall everything is not going well, but still we are trying our best for keeping ourselves secure and well. And today in this video I just want to share with you about my thoughts about copyright issue. You know, when I knew in the blockchain, I trying to get help from different site for taking some pictures related of my writings. And after using the picture, I also use the source from where I take the pictures. But yet then I did not get support from my writings, and that is why it's give me one kind of panic. I do not understand where is the problem create, why I did not got the support with my writings. And after that, when I trying to finding this, then I find the basic things, that is when the picture are issued with copyright and they include it, this is copyright things. And after that, if we use this picture with the source, then there will be no chance, no opportunity to get the supports because the issue of copyright. And for this reason, if we write something well with this copyright picture, after using the source, there is no chance for getting any support. But which kind of things you can use on your writing or blog? You know, in the internet is different kind of websites, different kind of authors are sharing their content, their works without copyright, and only you can use it for your blogging, your content. Then there will be opportunity for getting the support. And after knowing this, till now I am still trying to use the Pixabay free site for taking any kind of picture related to my content. And after that, I am trying to include the source of Pixabay, just honor to the authors, and then that will be easy for get some kind of supports with my writing, with the photograph. And remember that most of beginner users are mistakes here. They do not know the fact, they do not trying to ensure that this works is copyright things or not. So friends, I am just sharing with you my experience about the beginning time of my blog chain journey. If you want to take anything from other side, before taking anything, be ensure that is with copyright or not, and after that use it with the source. Otherwise you can take the help of the free site like that Pixabay. And that is my today's thinking, just trying to share with you. I hope all of you understand. Make sure more secure your writing and secure your support with the issue of copyright. And thank you all for watching this video.